Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to start and manage manager career. In the beginning, on the main page of the game, let's go to manager career. Select new manager career. Now you can use current squads or initial squads. Create new manager or play as real manager. You can change team or create your own club. Now manage quick settings. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.